Welcome to Mr. Dave's first piano class. Thank you so much for joining, and we're going to learn a whole lot. Okay, guys? Now, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to learn where C is, okay? If you'll notice, on the piano, you have 2 black keys and 3 black keys. Okay, now C is always going to be on the left. And fortunately, the pattern continues through the whole keyboard. So we're going to start on the very lowest C, and it sounds like this. Aha, that's nice. That's a nice-a. Okay, and then you go up to the next C, and that's called an octave. Everybody say octave. Okay, next one. And next one. And I don't know how big your piano is, but you just keep going, and you play all the C's, and believe it or not, there's one way up here. There we go. Okay, now we're going to do that one more time. Start way down low. Remember, 2 black keys to the left. And that's a C. That's a nice-a. That's a C, C, C. Hello out there. C. You're going to learn so much. You're going to be playing Beethoven and Billy Joel. C, 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 C. Okay, guys? Very good. Now, watch me. We're going to learn the next note, just like the alphabet, and that's a D, all right? It's in the middle of the 2 black notes. Okay, here we go, kids. Are you ready? I'm ready. Okay, that's a D. That's a nice D. And that's an Italian D. That's a nice D. Remember, you keep going in between the 2 black notes. D, 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 D. Okay, let's go backwards. D, 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 and D. Okay, good. Now, guess what? The next note up, it's on the right side of the 2 black notes. Everybody say that. The right side of the 2 black notes. And that's going to be an E. E, 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 E. Thank you very much. I wrote that song myself. Okay, go backwards. E, 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 E. Okay, everybody, we're going to learn a musical term, and this is called octave. Octave means 8. Okay? Now, look at it. Everybody say the word, octave. Okay, now, we've learned C, D, and E. Now we're going to go on to F. It's on the left side of the 3 notes. Okay? Start on the very lowest one. This is F. Okay, now even if you didn't know, or maybe one of your keys is broken, you count 8 notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Excuse me. Okay? Now, that is an F as well. 8 notes. You better get the doggies. Our doggies are running away. Okay. And then, next F up, next one F, 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 F. Okay, you gotta play all your Fs, guys. Very important. Okay, go backwards, F, 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 F. Okay, now, just like the alphabet, the next note is G. Okay, let's write it on the paper first. Okay, we learned F. And there is G. It's in the middle of the 3 black notes. Okay? Here we go. That's my low G. That's my octave up G. Okay, this is a G below middle C. We'll talk about that later. G above middle C. Octave, octave, octave. Okay, now, after G, there is no H. We start over on A. Okay, let's learn all the A's, please. Okay? Depending upon the size of the piano, that is the lowest note on my piano. Okay? And it doesn't even match the 3 black notes. They only have 1 black note down there. But just remember about the 8. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? That's your next A. And then again. A, 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 and backwards, please. A, 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 and the Big Daddy. A. Okay, here we go. The next note is B. Let's write it on the paper. Okay, look at the 3 black notes. B is on the right side of the 3 black notes. Everybody say that. It's the right side of the 3 black notes. Correct. You're doing great. That's the lowest B on the piano. Next, octave means 8. B, 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 and squeaky high B. All right? And that leads us to the 7 notes. Okay? Let's look at the 7 notes, please. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and then C repeats. Okay? There's only 7 notes. All right? Now, if you start on A, it's the 7 notes of the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay. Now, everybody, here's what we're going to do. We're going to learn what's called C position. Okay, I'm going to write this down for you. All right, and we're going to have 2 signs in music. Okay? All right, the top one is called treble clef. That's for your right hand. Say treble clef. And the bottom one is called bass clef. Say bass clef. That's your left hand. Okay, we're going to learn what's called C position. Okay, watch me. And you should be writing this down too. Everybody get paper and pause when you have to. Okay, write that down, please. Write that down. All right. Now, all right, here we go. We're going to learn about our fingers. Okay? My right hand. Thumb is 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, pinky is 5. Left hand. It's the same, but opposite. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So, put your hands together. Pinkies are 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yay! We all know our fingers. Okay, everybody, let's learn C position. Let's do our right hand. C is 1, D is 2, E is 3, F is 4, and G is 5. Okay, kids, now, listen carefully. Take your right hand, all right? You're going to take your thumb, which is number 1, and you're going to put it on middle C, right here. Okay, that's middle C. Every day it's middle C when you wake up. And that's your first finger. So say C is 1. And the next finger, D is 2. E is 3. F is 4. And G is 5. Great. Okay, now we're going to do our left hand. Octave down. Okay? Say C is 5. D is 4. E is 3, F is 2, and G is 1. Okay, kids. Thank you so much. That's our first 10. These are 10-minute lessons. Remember, the first exercise, you find all the notes. 7 notes. You play them all on the piano, every single one of them. And then you learn your fingers, which is 1, which is 2, 3, 4, 5, and you know C position. C, D, E, F, G. C, D, E, F, G. Good luck. We'll see you next time. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye now.